Your dog is asleep on the sofa, completely still. Then a paw twitches. Then the other starts paddling. The lips flutter, a soft sound escapes, and their eyes dart under closed lids. Then stillness again. You've watched this happen many times. But what's actually happening inside your dog's brain in those few seconds? Dogs have full REM sleep, and that means they almost certainly dream. Dr. Stanley Coren, neuropsychologist and author of How Dogs Think, studied canine sleep using electroencephalography and found that dogs cycle through the same sleep stages as humans: slow-wave, non-REM sleep, and rapid eye movement sleep. During REM, the brain becomes as electrically active as it is when the dog is fully awake. This is when dreaming happens. The twitching and kicking comes from a specific mechanism in the brainstem. During REM sleep, a structure called the pons generates inhibitory signals. It essentially sends a message to the spinal cord to suppress voluntary muscle movement. This is the brain's way of protecting the body during dreams. Without this mechanism, you would physically act out everything you dreamed, but the suppression is imperfect. The inhibitory system doesn't fully reach the smaller, more peripheral muscles: the paws, lips, whiskers, eyelids, and tail. These still receive the dream signals and respond. So when your dog's paws start paddling, they're very likely running or chasing in their dream. When their lips quiver, they may be panting or barking. When their eyes flicker, they're tracking something only they can see. MIT neuroscientist Matthew Wilson studied this replay phenomenon in rats, finding that the hippocampus rehearses daily experiences during sleep. The same neurons that fired during an activity fired again during REM, in the same sequence at compressed speed. The research strongly suggests dogs do the same. The morning walk, the game of fetch, the dog they met at the park, all of it being replayed, consolidated, and learned during sleep. Puppies twitch the most, and it's completely normal. The pons, the structure responsible for suppressing muscle movement during REM, hasn't fully matured yet in young dogs. The inhibitory system doesn't run at full capacity, so more signals leak through to the muscles. In older dogs, the same structure becomes less efficient with age, which is why senior dogs also tend to twitch more frequently. Body size and breed matter too. Smaller dogs have shorter overall sleep cycles and move through REM phases more frequently. A small terrier might enter and exit REM 5 or 6 times in a single hour. A large breed like a Saint Bernard might only cycle through twice. More frequent REM means more frequent twitching, which is why small dogs often seem to be constantly dreaming during naps. Here's the one rule every owner should know: never abruptly wake a twitching or dreaming dog. During deep REM sleep, a sudden touch or loud noise can trigger a startle reflex, even in the calmest, best-trained dog. If you need to wake them, use a gentle voice from a distance and give them a moment to orient before approaching. And the last thought: sleep researchers believe dogs dream in episodes, sequences of real experience, not abstract imagery. When those paws start moving, your dog is probably reliving something that mattered to them, something they loved. Join the waitlist for AnyDog, your dog's personal AI trainer built on real behavioral science. AnyDog AI.